Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm here with Justine. We're at Justine's home because we are going to transform the facade of this home. Justine, are you excited?
I am very excited.
Now tell me, why is it that you want us to come and change the front of your home? Why does it need changing at all?
Look at it. It is so dated, very, very dated. And we're really looking forward to working with Three Birds and just bring it up to something that we can really look forward to coming home to each day.
Just go with it.
Here's what we're going to do to transform the facade. The bricks really make it feel very hard and heavy. We need to lighten that up, make it feel softer. So we're going to do that through the materials we choose and the colours. First thing we're going to do is clad over the brick using a product we know so well from James Hardie. We're going to use board and battening across both levels, and then at the pop out where the door and the top gable is, we're going to switch that to Stria cladding.
Just go with it.
So the site's in full swing.
It is.
We've got some Stria up. It's looking great.
It's all happening here. I think that it's going to be an awesome transformation. I really, really love that there's two different types of cladding going up.
Yeah.
Horizontal and the vertical board and batten. I mean, that's the beauty of James Hardie products. The brick to the cladding, you are going to transform the actual style of the home.
The feel, the look, everything.
So we're creating the batten and board look out of two James Hardie products. So once we lay the sheeting down, it's really important then to work out where we're going to place the accent trim, because whilst it's creating depth and character, it's also covering the joins of the sheets.
Shan's actually got two sizes of battens for us to test. So we've got a 45mm and a 70mm.
Awesome.
And we want to get up there, set it out, get your design eyes across it.
Gut feeling, where are you going?
Always big.
Me too.
Shannon wants big.
I've said big from the start.
But we do have some constraints in terms of the way the windows are sitting on the top floor, so we need to talk about that
Yes,
today
that's
and
right.
how we
Finish into
resolve
that.
that.
So we'll have that like that.
Yeah, that one goes like that. And my smaller one
Yeah.
here will go like that.
And then the
These
other
are
one, Lou, your other hand.
I've got this
Oh, you
one.
got it?
I'll stick this one. So this one will be here.
Yes.
And it'll picture frame around the window all the way around. Like that.
Gorgeous.
Be free. Hey, all you lovely people, oh, turn up the trouble. Hey, all you lovely people, oh, shake, make it rumble.
So we've installed the Corinthian door. It was really important for the clients to still have a little bit of light in their entry because it can be a bit dark.
But that's the beauty, isn't it?
You can have privacy,
Yeah.
but still with the light.
And it's not the old-fashioned
Frosted.
frosted. That's exactly right. But how big is it?
It's huge.
Yeah, lots of big things on this site.
It's a big day.
It's a big day.
Big door energy.
It's time to live it up now. All you lovely people. All you lovely people.
Picking the right colour for the exterior of this home is everything. The transformation only starts with the new cladding, it finishes with the paint. So I know that they're wanting to go for a colour. I think they're wanting to incorporate a green into this space. Now, it's a really tricky colour scheme to work with, the greens. There's so many varying colours of green and it can throw different ways, but I know they'll nail it.
Personally, I think that looks too lolly. I know it looks fresh. This is like a fresh take on it.
Yep.
I think this one here is a little bit more classic.
Yes.
What do you think?
I feel like I need to stand back because that's what I usually have to do. But I also think that this, with the black windows,
Yeah.
is that family more so.
When you're working with a renovation and you're working with windows that are already installed, already a colour, you don't want to change them. You roll with that, and that's where I think this is working perfectly, this colour scheme.
Yeah.
So, Bob's your uncle. I think this is the winner. We have the good old Matisse with the Dulux Vintage Beige and the lovely Louisa with the Dulux Antique.
I work the graveyards of greyhounds 8 days a week. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about.
So we've changed our minds again in typical fashion. Originally, we had chosen the vintage beige.
Yes.
And after some lunch and some drying time, we have now gone with the grand piano.
Yeah, she's warmer.
She's warmer.
Look at everybody.
feeling really happy and confident about the tile choice. We've got a beautiful front entry tile that we've chosen. It'll just tie in perfectly with the antique colour.
Just wait and see. It's a good thing.
Now, what a transformation this has been. This is a special project for us, so I thought I'd bring along a really special person. I've got Gemma, our CEO, here with me today, and I'm going to show her around. Gem, you've seen a lot of the before.
I have. Okay, we've been talking about this project for months now, and I've seen so many pictures in our staff meetings, our production meetings, so I know what this has looked like, and now I'm excited to see how it comes together. Wow.
I wanna hold you closer. I wanna feel some kind.
It's almost unrecognisable.
It truly is. I'm truly blown away.
Yeah.
This is beyond what I ever thought we were going to be doing. This is insane.
This is the green we sourced. This is Antique by Dulux. So we saw that one when we were visiting, but the girls hadn't picked out the accent colour.
That's right.
Yeah. So this is, would you believe, called, you would never guess the name of this. Grand Piano by Dulux.
Oh, what a great name.
I want to know how they come up with the name.
That's such a good job. Imagine if you're the paint person that comes up with the name. So good.
Antique and Grand Piano, it's like they're meant to be.
Well, I absolutely love it, and I get why the team has been so proud of this project. I hope she loves it.
Justine absolutely loves it.
Yeah.
Let's go and see her.
Oh, she's here.
Yeah, let's go.
I am thrilled, absolutely thrilled. Just beautiful.
Do you feel like when you pull into the driveway now, I was just saying that compared to the other houses on the street, yours to me now is just like the absolute standout bee's knees. Do you feel like it's smart?
Yes, it is. Absolutely. I drive up and think, oh, look at that beautiful home.
Yeah. This is my house.
I know, and I can't believe it.
Is the transformation what you had dreamed, imagined?
It's better. It's better.
Okay.
It's so warm and inviting. Before there was so much brick and awful brick and, you know, awful gutter colours and fascia colours, and it really was very, very tired. So now we drive up and it's just so warm and inviting, and you know, you really look forward to coming home.
I wanna hold you closer.
So, I just need to say to you that having the three birds come on board for this with us has been truly life-changing for us. We bought this home, we moved my mum and dad in. I did the reno school, and that was fantastic, and we were going along very well inside, but when it came to the exterior, I was struggling with how we were going to make the exterior match the interior of what we had done.
Right.
So to work with you guys and have you come on board and help us has been absolutely amazing, and we're very, very grateful. So thank you very, very much, and we really appreciate it.